How long does a sane person wait for a train to come? Today we're photographing trains. Yeah, you heard me, we're photographing trains. A few weeks ago, I was out this way photographing the prescribed burns up here in northern Arizona, and I came across this really awesome overpass for the freeway where the train kind of comes down through the middle of it. And the structures themselves, all the cement, it just looked really cool, really urban. And I knew I was coming back to photograph trains coming through, and that's what we're doing today. So let's get to the location and find some photographs. So I've made it under the bridge, and it is loud. The cars are non-stop, and now it's just a waiting game. Patience will be the key for getting the train coming through. I've identified a few compositions, so it's just a matter of when the train comes, execute on that vision. All right, I have my composition dialed in. I'm at about 30 millimeters for my focal length. My focus point is going to be just on the rocks, right about here, just below where the train will be, because I want it to come in from either the left or the right-hand side. Now my f-stop or aperture is selected at f4 because I want to freeze the action. And paired with that, I'm at ISO 200 to create a 1/800th of a second shutter speed. It's going to be perfect for freezing the action of this train, and it's going to make for a great overall composition. Waiting, patiently waiting for not one but two trains to come by, because I want to get this image of essentially it looking like they're colliding. What a wild day photographing trains. It's one of those hurry up and wait type situations. You literally are just waiting. Sometimes up to an hour I waited for a train to come through, and then it's a matter of 10-15 seconds from the shot you pre-composed. Did the train get in the right spot? Did you get the shot you're looking for? And if you didn't, you're kind of reviewing in between the next train, and either you got it or you didn't. So I think I got a couple shots I'm real proud of, and the whole experience was pretty wild with these cars going up above and the trains coming through. It was interesting, very, very interesting. But definitely looking forward to photographing trains in the future because, like I said, the experience was different, very, very different and enjoyable. So for now, hope you liked the video. Hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next adventure.